Good afternoon to all of you. We, the Finance Club at IMI, welcome you all to the first edition of the Finance Room. I, Chandranesh Mahapatra, along with my co-anchor Sushant Kapil, will take you into some major financial developments which made headlines past week. Over to Sushant.
Thank you, Chandranesh. The World Bank has projected India's GDP to contract 9.6% in fiscal year 21. The bank said that the COVID-19 shock will lead to a long-lasting inflection in India's fiscal trajectory, but the growth is expected to rebound to 5.4% in FY22. According to former RBI Governor C. Rangarajan, the combined fiscal deficit of the centre and state may go up to 14% as against the mandated level of 6%. The Abu Dhabi Investment Authority has invested 5,512 crore for a stake of 1.2% in Reliance Retail Venture. With this investment, the Reliance Retail Venture has raised 37,710 crore from leading global investors in a span of 4 weeks. This investment values Reliance Retail Venture at a pre-money equity value of 4.285 lakh crore. The equity mutual fund outflows are slower in September and the debt fund sees inflows. Equity mutual fund saw outflow for the third consecutive month as investors withdrew 734 crore in September. Within equities, multi-cap funds saw the highest outflows. India's agriculture exports jumped during the COVID time. Export of essential agriculture commodities in the first 6 months of the current fiscal year rose by 43.4% as compared to that of last year. Thank you. Over to you, Chandranesh.
Thank you, Sushant. Further good news coming from the export sector. India's export to China is double-digit growth coupled with the sharp contraction in imports, resulting in nearly halving the trade deficit between the two countries. The restriction on imports along with the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan has shrunk India's deficit with the neighboring country to $12.6 billion in this year Q2, compared to $22.6 billion in year-ago period. RBI decided to allow RTGS payments, that is real-time gross settlement above 2 lakhs INR, around the clock from December 2020 to facilitate swift payments for domestic businesses. Last year, it had made NEFT system available 24/7 and it has been operating smoothly. Auto sector has shown positive growth in its demand. This could be the mark of the curve moving upward as the auto sector is directly related to the overall GDP. Companies like Maruti and Hyundai, etc. have registered double-digit growth in Q2 this year. Rising demands can be attributed to the first-time buyers, rural buyers, and the additional purchases. Paytm has launched its mini app store for Indian developers. It will create a new section in its application where the mini apps will be listed and can be accessed by the Paytm users. More than 300 app-based services like Decathlon, Ola, Domino's Pizza, Fishman, etc. had already joined this new program. These were some major financial news of the past week. We hope you liked our first edition of the Finance Room. And for all our viewers, stay tuned. There is something interesting coming up. Stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you.